A very happy morning to everybody present here. I am Alok Kumar Sharma, and on behalf of Athak Cheshta UAE and Athak Cheshta India, I welcome you to this small gathering where we are here to celebrate Ashi's performance, Ashi's success. So, the whole purpose of meeting is to make her feel that yes, what she has done and what she has achieved is not a little thing. I take this opportunity to express my gratification and welcome to the principal ma'am, HOD ma'am, the teacher, parents, and our little kid, Ashi.
Thank you, sir.
Before moving forward, I would like to express what we are and what we do. Athak Cheshta Universal LLC FZE UAE and Athak Cheshta India started way back in 2006 with an aim to keep Indian classical and folk art forms, culture, literature, sports alive, practical, and approachable for the present and future generation through its various chapters. Act Universal has four chapters: Know India, Natyashala, Act Universal Creative Wing, and Act Universal Games and Sports Wing. Know India does student exchange program, Know India International Inter-School Quiz Contest, Fun and Learn club activities, and India Fest in the name of Bharat Parv. Second chapter is Natyashala. So we provide Prachin Kala Kendra examinations in US, India, UAE, Oman, Kuwait, and Qatar now. We also have award ceremony for the success celebration of those eminent people, those who have really made their mark in their respective fields. We do have lecture demonstration series also. Chapter 3 is all about creative wing. So we have Trinity College London examination, speech and drama, Gavel Club, which is public speaking, school chapters in the name of Book Readers Club. So we'll surely be doing a Hindi Book Readers Club, and we'll be asking your school also to participate if ma'am kindly permits. We also have dramas production under the name of Vama series. Model United Nation also is are one of the features. We also do multiple fests in the name of Story Fest, Dance Fest, Cinema, etc. And Success Story Series is where eminent people come and interact with students so that they can get motivation and aspire to become as great as these speakers are. Act Universal Games and Sports Wing will shortly be bringing Act Universal Indo UAE Cricket Tournament, and it will be held from April till October of 2021. These are the few award ceremonies. So you can see the person in yellow kurta. He is none other than Pandit Vishmon Bhatt, Padma Vibhushan. He is known for his Mohan Veena. Lady next to him is Seema Bishwash, known for Bandit Queen movie. So we had presented an award to both of them. Few glimpses. In year 2017, Padma Shri Niranjan Goswami, who is a signature in Indian mime, was presented with the award. Nritya Vidushi Srimati Rohini Anantji for Bharatnatyam. Padma Shri Geeta Mahalik for Odissi dance form, and Vidwan Dr. Ashwin Mahesh Dalvi for Surbahar and Sitar. In this difficult time, we started online competitions. So we started with International Non-Violence Day competition, which was Interschool Speech Contest 2020, which was held on October 2, 2020. Participation was from 3 countries and 23 schools, and there were 4 participants from each school, followed by a competition on 20th of November 2020, which was World Children's Day, and we had celebration of stories. So around 41 schools participated and 82 students presented their folk tales in on a virtual background, virtual media. Republic Day was held on January 26th and 27th, International Inter-School Hindi Poetry Contest, where our little kid Ashi got the consolation prize. She was one of the contestants out of 162. There were 8 countries where those 81 schools had participated. This is a little glimpse of what we do. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I'll invite a principal ma'am to kindly address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
First of all, heartiest congratulations to Ashi and her parents. She belongs to very illustrious parents, I must say. Yamini and Rakesh Mittal, they have another child, Arjun, who's as talented as Ashi, and definitely going to be bringing laurels, more laurels to the parents. They are indeed proud parents of two very, very dedicated, committed, and focused children. And I think it's their role in their children's life which is making the children scale such heights. So it's really a proud moment. I did not know there were so many countries involved, and there were 160 speakers. You said number is really large. So Ashi, we would definitely like you to recite it in the assembly also, if whenever we have an assembly, and otherwise we can always put it as an audio for us other students to hear what you got the prize for in one of our online assemblies. So indeed a proud moment for us, the school, you, your parents, and after seeing you are daughter of Yamini, I'm not very surprised that you managed to scale these heights. It's really a proud moment for us. Thank you so much for inviting me to this presentation.
You that Ashi has won herself 1 month free membership for Toastmasters Club, which is Gavel Club for the children. So she'll be mentored by us to present speeches, and later on, if she finishes her 10 speeches, she'll be getting a certificate from TMI, which is Toastmaster International, which is present in 146 countries. And it's a very valuable and prestigious certificate, because if she goes for higher studies in any country, that would be recognized and she will be getting weightage for that. So this is what she has won. Those who have got the first prize, second prize, and third prize, they have won 6 months, 4 months, and 2 months of membership. And we are very proud that we are offering her, and we will get to learn from her, and whatever little we know, we will also try to share with her.
Surely we will share this information with our school. Asmita, I would like you to get a flyer made out of her, this event.
Okay,
And
this
that
actually,
she the second,
yes, ma'am.
she's got the second prize, right?
She
No,
got the
she got
concept.
Consolation.
the consolation
Consolation.
prize.
Yeah, so let's have it highlighted on the website and
Okay, ma'am.
let everybody know about it. And we will share this information with the school for Ashi to feel even
Yes, ma'am.
more proud. And let's see if more children can join in from next time.
To bring it to your notice that we shall surely be bringing very shortly a special need, because we work for the inclusion of the students, inclusion school also. So we'll be bringing a talent show for the children, those who are especially talented, and there will be no competition hold for them. So we'll be only doing the talent show for them. So if your school is interested, we'll be sending in the invitation to you. You can always send to
Yes,
participation.
why not? Anything that is happening at international level for children to participate in, will definitely we will do participate.
Thank you very much. With this, I'll move to the head of the department, Bhati Joshi ma'am, to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
So Ashi, it was all. Ashi, what would you like to say about your prize that you have won? What you give credit to your teacher, or you think you managed it yourself?
No, ma'am, I'm really glad. I wanted to thank Asmita, ma'am. She gave me this huge opportunity, and ma'am, Bharti Joshi, ma'am, and HOD, ma'am, and ma'am, you, ma'am. I'd like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, so let's hope you get to higher levels next time, and continue with your zeal and passion for co-curricular activities. Okay, all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashi. May I hear from the parents also if they have anything to say?
Yeah,
How
thank
was
you so
their
much, sir, for giving this opportunity to Ashi to perform at an international platform. It cannot be concluded by without thanking to Diksha ma'am, the principal ma'am, Asmita ma'am, and Bharti ma'am. They believed in Ashi, and Ashi did well, and that was the main motive of this. And we hope for more entries for her if she is capable of doing so. So we look forward for such opportunities. Thank you, Diksha ma'am, for trusting in the child, Asmita ma'am, Bharti ma'am, and Alok sir for letting her bloom this way. So it's a great opportunity for her.
Thank you very much, parents. Indeed, it is very inspiring what you said. We'll definitely move forward and work a little harder with your inspiration. Asmita ma'am and Bharti ma'am, if you would
Thank you,
like to
sir.
say something.
आलोक सर, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है कि ये जो है इस प्रकार के मंच का जो है आयोजन किया गया, और हमें भी ये सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ कि हम अपने छात्रों को जो है इस प्रकार से आगे उनका और उन्नति के लिए और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर वे और प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लें। ये एक सुअवसर जो है उनको प्राप्त हुआ है, से एक रास्ता बन गया है, और आगे आने वाली जितनी भी प्रतियोगिताएं हैं, केवल हिंदी ही नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से अन्य में भी छात्र जो है बढ़ चढ़ के भाग लेंगे, और इसके लिए हम आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं, और उनके माता पिता को, और विशेष रूप से अपने प्रधानाचार्य महोदया श्रीमती दीक्षा जी को, कि उनके मार्गनिर्देशन में ये कार्य आगे बढ़ता रहेगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, ma'am. Asmita ma'am, your comments, please.
सर, आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, मैम, विभागाध्यक्षा जी, आशी तथा अभिभावक, मैं आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि हम सबको ये अवसर मिला है एक दूसरे से बात करने का। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही है हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम की कि यद्यपि कोरोना के कारण एक संकट काल था, लेकिन उन्होंने हमको प्रोत्साहित किया कि आप कुछ ना कुछ करते रहिए। और उसमें हमने आशी की कविता पढ़ी, सीबीएसई एक्सप्रेशंस के लिए, मकान से घर, और हमें वो कविता छू गई। उसके थोड़े समय बाद हिंदी विभाग की तरफ से एक अंतरवर्गीय प्रतियोगिता हुई, उसमें निर्णायिका के रूप में भारती मैम थी, और इस बच्चे ने काव्य पाठ किया था। और वो कविता जब इसके मुंह से सुनी तो वो भारती मैम को भी इतनी ही प्रभावित की, और उसके बाद हमारे मन में था कि ये बच्चा अगर आगे बढ़ता है तो ये तो खुद गौरवान्वित होगा, उसके साथ बैठ के हम सब भी उसी तरह से गौरवान्वित महसूस करेंगे, और वो सुखद क्षण हमको प्राप्त हुआ। इसके लिए आप सबकी दूरदृष्टि, दीक्षा मैम, भारती मैम, ये सब इसी का परिणाम है कि हम इस बच्चे को आज यहाँ पर देखकर प्रसन्न हो रहे हैं। और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आशी, और धन्यवाद सर कि आपने ऐसा पटल हमको दिया। और हम आगे भी, आशी आगे हमारे साथ है ही अभी 12th तक, तो बहुत सारी प्रतियोगिताओं में इसको भाग लेना है, और ये बहुत सारी अन्य कलाओं में भी दक्ष है, और भी हमारे पास बहुत वर्षों में देखेंगे, ऐसा हमारा पूरा विश्वास है। धन्यवाद आप सभी का।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम आपके मोटिवेशन के लिए, और ऑफ कोर्स सो वेरी प्राउड ऑफ आशी, एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली बी ब्रिंगिंग a collaborative activity which I told you, साहित्य अनुशीलन के नाम से हम एक हिंदी बुक रीडर क्लब हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें हर स्कूल से 2 बच्चे, एक 5वीं का और एक 6ठी का, जिसमें हम प्रेमचंद, भीष्म साहनी और छोटी छोटी कहानियां उनको सुनाकर ये बताना चाहते हैं कि हमारा साहित्य कितना उन्नत है, और उससे बच्चों को जोड़ते रहना चाहते हैं। इसमें भारतीय दूतावास और भारतीय वाणिज्यवास जो यहाँ पर दुबई में स्थित है, वो हमें बहुत प्रोत्साहित करता है। उनका मैं यहाँ पर विशेष रूप से मेंशन करना चाहूँगा कि उनकी सहयोग से हम बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और आशा करते हैं कि आपके साथ हमारी निरंतरता रहेगी और हम आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। With this, ladies and gentlemen, and our star, I would say that this meeting is off, and thank you very much. And I express my gratification towards the principal, head of the department, school teacher, parents, and the rising star, Ashi Mittal. Thank you very much for joining and taking our time. Thank you.